Namaste guys, in today's video we'll see how to increase your laptop performance. So let's get started. So first one is temporary files. When the temporary file folder get larger, it can slow down your PC. So let's clear the temporary files. Just press Windows and R key, then you will get a run prompt. Type there percentage 10 percentage. Enter. This will redirect you to temporary folder. Just Control A and delete this temporary files. Sometimes you may get this message because the file in use in background, so you can just skip these files. Just select the do this for all current items and just select the skip. Just close this. Again press Windows and R key and just type 10. Enter. Just select Control A and delete. Continue. Again skip. Just close this. So when you delete the file and folder, that automatically moved into recycle. So after deleting files and folder, don't forget to empty recycle bin. Just select the recycle bin, right click, empty recycle bin. Just click here. Are you sure want to permanently delete all these items? Select yes. Just select continue for the admin permission. Next one, enable storage sense. This is the great feature in Windows 10. This will help you to make a more space on your computer. So let's start. Just go to Windows setting. Just select here, start and setting, or you can press Windows and I key. Select system. Navigate to storage option. Just enable this option and Windows will automatically clear temporary files and recycle bin which we don't require. Then select configure storage sense or run it now. And here you can select the days. So I select here 14 days. So after 14 days my temporary files and recycle bin get cleared automatically. Just close. Let's move to the startup application. Startup application is the application that run automatically after your system gets started. So let's start. Go into Windows setting. Just press Windows I. Navigate to application. Then select a startup. And here you can see all the applications and programs which are running in background. So these are the applications which automatically start when your system gets started. So let's go ahead and disable the unwanted applications like IDM, which I don't want to start automatically. Then Microsoft Teams, which I am not using. Torrent. So this is how you can disable the application which you don't want to start automatically. Just close this. Next one is disk cleanup. Go to start and search for disk cleanup, and here is the option disk cleanup. Select OK and select on clean up a system files. Just select the OK. It will start calculating the space. Just select the delete files. Done. So guys, using this way you can increase your system and laptop performance. Thanks for watching this video. We'll see you in next video.